Hi lovelies, you're welcome to another beautiful pattern drafting tutorial. So on this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to go about drafting 13 different trending neckline. This is totally beginner friendly, so if this is something you're interested in learning how to make, please just keep watching this video to the end and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So you're welcome back. So the standard rule for every neck neckline, and what that you should have in the back of your mind while drafting any neckline, is that the neck width is always inversely proportional to the neck depth, which simply means that when you have a wider neck width, the neck depth shouldn't be too deep, and when you are having a smaller neck width, you can go ahead and make your neck depth as deep as you want. So you get to understand when we start drafting. So the first neckline we'll be drafting is a Queen Anne neckline. So this is my favorite. This is one of my favorite neckline. So I'll be taking my neck width of 3 inches. So you can make use of 2.05 inches for your neck width. Then my neck depth of 7 inches, and you'll be going in by 3 inches from that part that you mark your neck depth, and you go ahead and square this up like this. Just go ahead and square it up. So at that point, you'll be coming up by 3 inches at that point to make a mark. Then you place your tape at the armhole and you come in by 2.05 inches. You can make use of 2 inches as well, depending on what you want. Then I'll use my ruler to square it out like that. Then I'll be placing my French cuff like this on that part that I came in by 2.05 inches, and I'll be forming my sweetheart there. Then I'll also go ahead and square it up like this to the neck width. So guys, you can go ahead and cut it out like this, but for me, I want to add a little spice to it. So I'll just go ahead and form a little curve at that point like this, and I'll cut it out. So you see how it comes out very beautiful and nice. So as I said earlier, this is one of my favorite neckline, the Queen Anne neckline. It usually come out so beautiful and nice. So guys, just give it up for this Queen Anne neckline. It's looking so nice and beautiful. So let's just label this the Queen Anne neckline, and we are going to be moving to the next neckline. So guys, for the next neckline, which is usually called the W neckline, some persons call it the inverted Queen Anne neckline. So for my neck width, I went out by 4 inches, and my neck depth, I went down by 7 inches. Then I will go in by 4 inches. So guys, you can decide to go in by 5 inches at that point to make it look more deeper at that point. So I'll just go ahead and square it up like this. Then at the center part, I'll be placing my tape at the center part, and I'll be going up by 2.05 inches, depending on what you want. You can decide to take 2 inches or 1 inches. So I'll just go up by 2.05 inches, and I will square it up again. I'll use my French curve to draw a curve there and connect that point to the other points like this. Then I'll be cutting it out, and after cutting it out, I'll open it for you guys to see what it looks like. So guys, this is our W neckline. See how it's looking, very beautiful and nice. You can make it to have a sort of a Queen Anne shape if you want. So this is our W neckline. So go ahead and call it our W shape neckline. So this neckline is looking so beautiful. So guys, this is my favorite neckline, the sweetheart neckline. So this neckline, I usually like how it comes out in a cloth. It usually looks so beautiful and nice. So I'll be taking my neck width of 4 inches there. Then my neck depth of 7 inches, depending on how deep you want this sweetheart to be. And I'll be going in by 4 inches as well. I'll be going in by 4 inches, and I'll go ahead and square it up like this. Then at that point, I'll be going up by 2.05 inches. You can decide to go up by 3 inches, whatever you want, you can make use of. So I'll be placing my cuff ruler, my French cuff, and I'll be connecting it like this. And I'll cut it out for you to see this. So guys, this is my favorite of all the neckline, the sweetheart neckline. So give it up for this beautiful sweetheart neckline. So guys, this neckline is looking so beautiful and nice. Can see the sweetheart neckline. So this neckline usually look like the Queen Anne neckline, but it's not it. So guys, the next one is our boat neckline, the boat neckline. So the boat neckline, the neck width is usually wider than the neck depth. So we will be taking a neck width of 5 inches. So you place your tape, we'll take a neck width of 5 inches. Then I'll be taking my neck depth of 2.05 inches. You can make use of 3 inches if you want, but I don't think it should be more than that, because this is usually the neck depth is usually very high than the neck width. So the neck width is wider while the neck depth is high. So this is what it will be looking like. So this is what our boat neckline is looking like. So just go ahead and label it. You can see it's looking so beautiful and nice. So guys, you can use this trending neckline to spicing up your dresses this 2025 to make it look outstanding and stunning. So guys, this one is for the off shoulder neckline. So we have the sweetheart off shoulder and the C cuff off shoulder. So for your off shoulder, you'll be placing your tape at your armhole. You determine how deep you want your off shoulder to be. So for mine, I came down by 4.05 inches. So from there, I'll be squaring it up like this. I'll be squaring it up like this. Then I will go ahead and determine my sweetheart. I want it to have a little sweetheart there. So I'll go ahead and go in by 6.05 inches. So guys, for this sweetheart, you can go ahead and cut it straight the way I did before, or you can just go ahead and form a little sweetheart on it, like this one that I'm doing right now. And then you just go ahead and cut it out. So, or you cut it out the first way, or you just form a sweetheart there. So me, I decided to form a little sweetheart. So you see how it's looking like. So if you want your sweetheart to be more revealing and more deep, you can decide to go in a little at that center part. So go ahead and label this as off shoulder neck line. So these are for our off shoulder neck line. So guys, the next one, we have the keyhole neckline. So guys, I really love this keyhole neckline. You can have it like this, or you can have it like this other one you are seeing on the screen that looks like a sweetheart. That is a sweetheart. So be placing your tape like this. These necklines always have two neckline. So, and you'll be going down by 3 inches. So we'll be drafting our basic neckline. The first neckline, which is the width of 3 inches and the depth of 3 inches. So from there, I'll be placing my tape to determine where my keyhole will start, which is 5 inches. So I went down by 5 inches, and to determine where it will be ending, which is 7 inches. So I went down by 7 inches to where this keyhole will be ending. Then between the 5 inches and the 7 inches, I mark the midpoint, which is 6. Then I'll be squaring it up like this. Just square it up like this. Then from there, you'll be placing your tape to determine how wide you want your keyhole to be. So I went in by 4 inches. On that 4 inches point, that is where I'll be connecting to the first point and the second point. So just watch at how I place my cuff rule, my French cuff rule, to join that part. Then I'll go ahead and also use my French cuff to form a sort of a sweetheart at that point as well. So now, after drawing this, I'll go ahead and cut this out. So you will see how our keyhole will be looking like. So guys, watch carefully to see how I cut this out. So guys, you can support my channel by just subscribing to my channel, and also give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will push this video out for others to see and learn how to cut different trending neck line. So guys, this is what the keyhole neckline is looking like, and it's looking so beautiful and nice. So while cutting this on your fabric, go ahead and add extra allowance at those points that you see me pointing right now. So we'll go ahead and label it our keyhole neckline. So guys, we'll be going to the next neckline. So this neckline is called the V-shape neckline. So this is the V-shape neckline. So we'll be taking our neck width of 4 inches. Our neck width of 4 inches for the V-shape of 4 inches. So I'll just place my tape. I'll take my neck width. Then my neck depth of 7 inches. So this neck depth is totally depend on how deep you want your V-neck to be like. So I'll just go ahead and square it up like that and join it like that. So guys, you can decide to cut it like this, or you add a little spice to yours. So this is what I'm going to do to mine. I'll be adding a little curve there. I'll cut the two out for you to see the difference. So I'll be adding a little curve like this. Now I'll go ahead and use my scissors and cut this second line that I create. I'll be cutting on the second line so that I can see how this V shape is looking like. So you can see how this one is looking like. It's looking a form of like this. I prefer this. Yes, I think I prefer this. So I'll go ahead and cut that straight one I did so that you can see that there is a difference between the two. There is difference between these two V shape. The other one is looking a sort of a sweetheart something, and this one is just looking so straight. So you can see this one how it's looking. So this is for our V neckline. So if you love this V neckline, just give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. So we have the asymmetric neckline. So this is one of the trending neckline on board right now. So our neck width I'll be taking is 3 inches and our neck depth of 3 inches for the first one. For the first one. So we'll go ahead and cut it out. So we'll be opening our pattern paper into two like this. We'll be opening it up like this. And then, so now we're cutting open because the two neckline are not the same. So at this part, I'll be placing my tape on the armhole. I'll be coming in by 2.05 inches. Then I'll be going down by 6.05 inches there. I'll be going down by 6.05 inches there, and I'll go ahead and square it up. So I'll just go ahead and square it up like this. Then at this other part, I'll be going in by 0.75 inches. So you can take 0.5 inches or you can take 1 inches there. Then at the center part, I'll be coming down by 1 inches. So I'll go ahead and join all the lines together. So I'll just be joining the lines together and you'll be seeing what it looks like. So I'll just join them together and you see what it looks like. So I'll just use my ruler, my free hand to blend that part into it like this. And I'll go ahead and cut it out. So I'll be cutting it out and you see what it's looking like. So I'll be naming this my asymmetric neckline. Asymmetric neckline. So guys, this neckline is really so beautiful and very nice, so give it up. So for our next one is the outer neckline. So I'll go in by 3 inches for my neck width, and for my neck depth I'll be taking 2.05 inches for my neck depth. You can make use of 3 inches depending on what you want. So I'll go ahead and connect it like this. So at that point I'll be coming down by 1 inches and I'll be connecting it to the armhole. So you just go ahead and connect it to the armhole. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment, just type outer neck at the comment section, and thank you so much for watching to this moment. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video and give this video a thumbs up. So I'll be cutting it out and I'll be opening it for you to see what it looks like. So this is for our outer neck design. So this is what our outer neck is looking like. So we'll go ahead and call it our outer neckline. So this is what it's looking like, and this neckline is always so beautiful for your. So guys, we'll move to the next neckline. So this is one shoulder neckline. So this type, one shoulder is always off. So you can have it like this or like the first way that you see. So we'll be taking our neck width of 3 inches and our neck depth of 2 inches. So we'll be drafting our basic neck first for this particular one shoulder dress. So go ahead and connect it together like this, and we'll go ahead and cut this one first. Then we'll open up our pattern paper. So you have to open it up. Then at one side of the armhole, you'll be placing your tape at one side of the armhole like this. Then you'll be determining how off you want to take that shoulder. So me, I took 4 inches from there, and you'll be connecting it to the center of the neckline, to the center part like this. Then I'll go ahead and cut it out. So this is for our one shoulder neckline. So I'll just go ahead and blend that part in like this. So guys, if you really like this neckline illustration, do not forget to leave a comment at the comment section. So guys, we're moving to our U-shaped neckline. This is the U-shaped neckline. So I'll be taking my neck width of 4 inches and my neck depth of 6 inches. Then I'll be going down by the same thing, 6 inches, and I'll go in by 4 inches so that I can be able to square this up. So I'll go ahead and square this up. Then I'll be placing my French cuff like this to form a cuff, a C shape at that point. Just watch at what I'm doing. I'll go ahead and form a C curve there. So guys, I'll be cutting it off so that you can see this our U-shaped neckline. So this neckline is also beautiful and nice. So I'll be calling it the U-shaped neckline. So it's looking nice and beautiful. So guys, this is what the U-shaped neckline look like. So this is for our wrap neckline. So this is for our wrap neckline. So I'll go ahead and open my paper, my pattern paper like this. So you see the middle part. That middle point, I'll be determining my neck width from there. So I'll go ahead and place my tape like this. I'll be taking 3 inches for my neck width. Then for my neck depth, I'll be taking 7 inches, depending on what you want and how deep you want that to be. So from there, I'll be connecting it to the end of the paper. So depending on how you want your wrap dress to be like, you can make it reach at the end or at the center, depending on what you want. So I'll be placing my curve ruler like this and connect it. So if you notice at that end, I came up by 2 inches, by 2 inches, I mean to say. Then I'll be connecting it like this and I'll be cutting it out. So guys, this is for the wrap neck. So this is what the wrap neckline is looking like. So guys, you have to cut this into 2 so that you can overlap it. So you have to cut this into 2. You have to cut 2 of the. So guys, we have the square neckline. So guys, this is the last neckline that we have for this particular tutorial. So I'm taking my neck width of 4 inches and my neck depth of 6 inches. And I'll be going in by 4 inches from that point, and I'll be squaring this up. As the name says, square neckline. So you go ahead and square it up like this. Then you cut it out. So you cut it out and you'll be seeing what we have. So guys, as you can see, this is the square shape. So if you want it to be more deeper, you just go ahead and extend your neck width and your neck depth as you see me doing. So I'll just go down by extra 1 inch at all the points. So guys, if you watch this video up to this point, please give this video a thumbs up, like, support my channel by subscribing to it so that you will get updates whenever I upload new videos. So I'll just go ahead and cut this. So I'll just cut this out and you see this wide one. You will know which one you want. Is it the one that is wide or the one that is small? So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.